Hello and welcome to the video. In this video I will be demonstrating how you can do a Dutch braid. I like to use the serum sometimes when I'm doing a Dutch braid because it helps with the baby hairs that are at the side of my head. So you want to take a section of hair from the top of your head and you're going to split this into three. You're then going to take the outside strands underneath the middle strand. The middle strand will change each time as you add hair underneath it. Going to add in a section of hair to one of the outside strands and take that underneath the middle strand. You're then going to do the same on the opposite side of your head. If you want to keep the braid tight, try to keep your hands as close as you can to your head as you are braiding. The further away you place your hands, the looser the braid will be. And you're just going to repeat the steps of adding hair into each of the outside strands and taking them underneath the middle one. When you've added in all your hair, you're going to do a normal 3-strand braid. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, leave any comments and like. See you again soon.